Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using this or that. That is a bag. This is a bike. This is a rose. That is a kite. This is a hat. That is a bird.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.